Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how do I write the most frequent Chinese character, 这. Now let's get started. In regular script, 这. This or this. You can write in cursive like this. For example, 这个.这个 this 这样 this way like this. 这么 this much. 这儿 here. Last one for today. 这天 this day. 这 this 这个 this 这样 this way like this 这么 this much 这儿 here 这天 this day. Can you make up any other words with a Chinese character 这? Let me know in a comment below. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel, please. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.